What is going on, y'all? Mama here, back with another trade review and market recap. Today is 3/27 of Thursday. Let's go over today's trades and today's game plan. So coming into today, indices were showing relative weakness with NQ down about 0.21% and ES was down 0.11. So we were kind of flat, but it was showing relative weakness. And there's key levels on the chart that I was watching for reactions. So earlier in the pre-market, I wrote the plan. I wanted us to reject this level to potentially go lower, but we opened a lot lower, so that's harder to happen. And then NQ, if we opened above the level, I was going for the break and reject. And if we opened, if we were above the level, I was going for the break and retest. And if we were open below, just the reject. So that's exactly what I did. Just follow the plan. And I was looking at previous day low as well to see a reaction. So we were opening below the level, rejected, didn't get a candle close. And then I also zoomed in the 1 minute. So the 1 minute didn't get a candle close. We made new highs on one of the indices, I believe. And then either ES or YM or RTY did not. It looks like this one made a high, but I'm pretty sure one of the other indices didn't make a high. So we presented a divergence. That's another clue that we could go lower. And then this candle, I entered near the level. So I just measured my risk reward from this candle open to this candle high. And then I was aiming for, we had room all the way down to 19,823, but I didn't think that was kind of too far away, and the likelihood of that happening today is kind of low. So I was aiming for more about like 8 points or so, and then I started trimming along the way. So once we hit like 60-ish points, I started to trim, and then my last contracts hit about 85 points, I believe. So nice trade. It was close to 3 to 4 hour trade to open the day. I was pretty much done in the first like 8 minutes of open. Can't get much better than that. And then if we're looking at what's happening on the indices, and we kind of reversed the action, and then we saw the overnight highs. So if we look at these two indices, there's a divergence at the lows. So divergence, it's when one indices makes a low or a high and one doesn't, and then that could lead to a reversal. So this ES made a low, NQ did not, and we made like a higher low. So that's a sign of reversal, and that's been really key this market lately. There's a lot of divergences, so it's very trappy. You can think the market's going one way and it just reverse. So I'm always watching for divergences to either play the reversal or get out of a position. And I'm happy I got out around here before the divergence. But you can also play the divergence as you see the divergence in the indices, and then you can do a 1 candle stop. So this would be the 1 candle stop. You can aim for either the level or even like the overnight highs. So we had overnight highs at here. So your final target could be 177 points, and then you can trim along the way, like 84 points at the level. Once we got acceptance over the level, you can aim for the next level, 166, and then overnight highs 177. But I called it a day. Entries are kind of tough. You could take these lows, that's more aggressive, or you could take a higher low, which is like right here. It doesn't look as clean on the 1 minute or on the 2 minute, but if you zoom in on the 1 minute, we kind of present the divergence, made a high, present a higher low buy setup, and then you can start targeting these upper levels. So nice one and done for the day. Let me share my P&L. Nice one and done. So I'm happy with that. With that being said, you'll have a good one. Peace.